Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing the first part of restoring this kx60. It's a 1985, really old, and yeah, so I got it from somebody off of Facebook for 140 bucks. So yeah, let's get right into restoring this thing. Okay guys, so we're going to do a quick just overview of the bike. So as you can see, a lot of the stuff is spray painted black. All the plastics, most of the stuff is spray painted black. The cylinder, I had redone, like I had it rebored out to 65 because it was shot. And I put a new crank in it, in the bottom end. But other than that, I haven't touched really anything. So, seal was painted black, has rips in it. Gas tank was painted black. Bars were painted black. Plastics have some cracks. Pretty beat up. This side, all of that was black. Tires hold air. It's a good thing. His drum brakes, very old. This whole case was painted black. Missing a coolant hose right there. Needs a new clutch cable because it's not even hooked up. So clutch isn't hooked up. The bike did run after the cylinder was bored, but yeah, really messed up. But it's like in rideable condition technically, except for like the clutch and then the coolant hoses. This is just an overview pretty much. This is cracked, and then it's missing this little plastic that goes right there. Everything was painted black, like that, the engine, whole engine, that was painted black until I had it redone, and they cleaned it up nice. Had it done by Eric Gore Racing. So if you guys have any cylinder work, any engine work, send it off to him. But yeah, everything's really messed up. Like, all of this just filthy. So we're gonna be doing a series and fully restoring this bad boy.